Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see connection of the web page using the XAAMP and storing the data in the following database. So here we're first going to run it and just show you exactly how it's going to feature. So we have the username and the password. So if we put some username here and some password, it's gonna show us that inserted successfully. So how it's working, so we can see here in the index HTML we have included the CSS. We are going to discuss about it after we explain and discuss about the HTML file, the form. So here we have again opened with the form action REST PHP. So we have made a form and its action would be REST PHP, so it would redirect to the REST PHP file, and the method is get. So inside a class called image container, we have again placed the photos and all the stuff, the background photo, and label is username. The input type would be text. Placeholder would be enter username, name, uname, and it is required, we cannot keep it blank. Similarly, in case of the password, the input type would be password. The placeholder we are going to enter password, and the name under which it would be stored would be PSW, and it would be also be required. So without the password we cannot afford to do login. So then afterward, then we are going to make the button which would be of type submit, and we would write login, and the input type would be checkbox, checked, remember me, and all the stuff. So we're just going back to the CSS part, so how we have done it. So here is the CSS part. The form would be border 3 pixels solid, body would be background body would be something, background the size would be something, input type text, and for input type password the both would be with 100 with padding 12 pixel, 20 pixel, margin 8 pixel 0, display would be inline block, the border would be 1 pixel solid, and the boxing size would be border box. In case of the button, the background color padding, margin, border, cursor width can be set according to the user's wish, and button over has been opacity 0.8. the cancel button there is, and all the stuff's been mentioned here. So we are going to jump onto the next page, that is the REST PHP. So here we can see in the PHP file we have named the host is localhost, the username is the root which we are using, password we haven't set, so that's why we have kept it blank. If you have been setting any password, then you can enter that password. Database DB name, so DB name is the database name under which you have made the tables and all those stuffs. So I'm going to show you from the localhost you can access to the XAAMP. So here we have actually made a database called DB name here, right here. So here we have the student file, and we can see so many times it has been entered, and we're going to now jump back to the code. So first we are going to create the connection. So $con would be MySQLi connect, the host, username, password, and a DB name, and or we can give a default error which would be give D error. Echo would be success, MySQLi query, then we are going to insert the query into the connection. So con insert into student, into the student table we are going to enter the name and register number of values Vidyut and 12. So then we are going to echo insert is successfully. So we are going to run this code again for you to understand properly. So we are giving some name and password, and we can see it's coming like that. So success inserted successfully, and now we are going to just go back here. We can see there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times it has been done. So we have again logged in, so it should be 9 times now here. So we'll just click it, and it's again another time came. So as much as times we can log in, the data would be stored here, and in case we want to have a particular password and particular username that could only log in, then we can set it up according to his wish. So that's the end of the video. So that's how you're going to connect your web page with the database using XAAMP, so using PHP. So thank you for watching.